All right, so we here with Dani, about to walk the property on her birthday. It's week 2. So let's see what's inside, y'all.
Okay, so, as you can see, the floors are in, but I know that you're gonna be upset that they're not covered.
Yes, I am.
I already see some stuff going on, so I do have to cover the floors. Cabinets are also in. Little island, I added an island here.
I wonder where you learned that from. Was it River?
Yes.
So, what made you go white oak cabinets? Because I didn't see this, I don't typically do this.
So I wanted to do something different. I'm kind of tired of like the white and black look, with the gray, that gray, So I decided to go with this, which is more in.
Farmhouse, why?
Because it just gives it that powwow, the zow, the zaw. And then you see my quartz, very white, no.
You guys, plain white countertops are the cheapest quartz countertops that you can get. But this is good though, it's for the budget.
It's cute.
We're here to make money, we're not here to spend money.
Yes.
I like these cabinets though, for real. Like truthfully. They look amazing.
Kitchen in, floors in. Bathrooms are done. Everything's to add the vanities.
I like this, it's very clean. So you got black fixtures coming in, as I see here.
Yes.
Bathroom's done. So yeah, you going LED mirror or basic mirror?
Just basic.
Okay.
Bedroom. Got my fans from our supplier.
I love that. They look familiar. Yes. They look very familiar. She didn't replace the doors. She replaced the trim, sanding it down to save on money. You can sand these down and repaint them, guys.
Here, I don't know if y'all recall, but this was a big pipe here that was from the fireplace. Mm-hmm. So we completely canceled out the fireplace, so we're doing electric, and I'll show you. And then now it's a bigger closet.
Perfect. I love it. Did you get your doorknobs from our supplier too?
I got these on Amazon.
Okay. When is a win? This is the primary.
Yes, it's the bathroom.
Okay, we got our nice shower, LED light above, nice tile combo. Change the drain, because you got black, so change the drain to black. But other than that, I like this a lot. The tile came out really clean. The finishes are good. Man, I'm like a happy dad. My mentee, she doing her thing. But I expect nothing less of perfection from Dani, because I don't know, she runs the construction company and meets the suppliers and pays the bills. So I would hope that she would be able to get it done perfectly.
So this is the sunroom. We changed, remember I had we changed this to sheetrock.
Yep.
We put a ceiling fan in here, and then I was going to change this to sheetrock, but I figured it's a sunroom.
This is fine.
Yeah, so I just got it painted.
So those are the things you think about on your budget. I see you added the trim and the floors. So it's a functional area. I like this, a lot of natural light coming in. And then it has another deck going that way. So you gonna paint the deck or you gonna leave it that color?
I may either pressure wash it or paint it black. I may
paint it black.
Yeah.
I would paint it black if it was me. Yeah. See, one thing Dani has learned is that have the material on site so the guys can work. And that's something that I think you were able to do that advanced it. When we first came, the material was outside for the drywall, the toilets, the tubs, everything. So the work was able to progress quickly. Down here is where I was a little nervous about that garage and what we were planning on doing.
Over here. We'll start over here.
Okay.
So this, if you guys recall, was a big
regular fireplace.
It went all the way out here, so we kind of, made more space in the room and doing an electric fireplace. And we're gonna be doing like a wall paneling for it.
Those look so familiar.
This is not yours. I actually bought this.
Oh, that one.
It's not for your storage room.
It's not for my storage room.
No, I bought this.
But where did you learn about this wall paneling?
Home Depot.
No. Where did you actually learn about it? Was it my house or was it the office first?
I found it for the office.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
My wife found this for the office.
You found this for the office?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Anyway, y'all, she just be stealing all my sauce, bro. But that's what the mentorship is about. Just give it to them, y'all. Just take everything.
Okay, as you can see, there was no lighting down here at all. So we added recessed lighting to this area. Here, hallway there. All right, so here was a wall. I'll tell you in a second what I'm gonna be doing with this right here, but let's go over here. Okay. This was all open here, remember?
Yes, I do.
So now we're gonna be putting a bedroom with a closet because there's no closet here.
Okay.
So this will be the bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
This is the closet here.
Okay.
And ceiling fan there.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
And this right here was the laundry room. So instead of just having a laundry room and that wasted space here, we're gonna be adding a full bathroom here.
Okay.
And
Now you know, with this bathroom, to avoid cutting that slab, you need to have a pump
Okay.
to pump the water out and tie it to the sewer.
Okay.
Or were you gonna cut the slab?
I was just gonna put a bathtub and a toilet, and I was just gonna hope that it could flush and work.
She's
That's
just
not
a
how it
girl. No, it doesn't.
All right. Good framing. Good.
No, I was looking at the pipe.
Okay. And then over here is gonna be the entrance to the laundry room. Now that the laundry room's not over here,
It's over
this
here.
will be the laundry room now. So it's gonna have a cute door and then flush it.
This is actually much more efficient. You got a utility closet with the laundry room. So I think a lot of this stuff goes into it. But see, the thing is with these flips, sometimes you can't see the vision until you start demoing stuff out. So how did that affect your budget once you made these changes? Because you didn't think about this before you bought the house.
I didn't. I had to kind of take some things I wanted to do out to be able to do this. So like sheetrocking the sunroom, or like maybe like changing the roof because it's not in bad condition. I just kind of hate the color. It could be just.
But you know, I sold a house like that too, with no problem.
I think that just like kind of moving the budget around is what I did. Yeah.
For sure. So you think now, where are you gonna end at on budget?
So I'm actually under budget. I thought I was gonna spend about 50,000 on this flip. I think projected right now I'm like at 45,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
45, that's not bad. And you think you're gonna, when you think you'll be out of here? You 2 weeks, you 60%. So today's the 20th. You think you're out of here by the 31st?
That's my goal.
Moving on the market, first week of February?
I wish. That's my goal. Yeah. But I don't think, maybe mid-February is more realistic. But my goal is first week of February. Yes.
So as long as we meet our 100K in 100 days, that's all I care about. So do you think this extra bedroom and bathroom is gonna add value, and how much you think it's gonna increase the sale?
I do believe it's going to add value. I think that it'll increase the sale maybe like a 10, 15K, just looking at the comps and stuff.
But okay, for another 10 to 15,000, this cost you what to do?
About 5K for the bathroom, only because my dad's a plumber.
Yeah.
So he's going to be doing all the plumbing for my birthday.
It's your
So
birthday.
I really just had to spend on the shower, the toilet, and things like that, and then he's going to be doing all of the plumbing. So that's a perk of that. But it did add like 5K to my.
Well, yeah, for her, that's a good reality. But for most people that don't have their dad that's a plumber, or I don't know, the office manager of a construction company, it would not be that case. So you always want to run your numbers to make sure that any additions you're doing are going to add a value. But sometimes it's not even about adding value. It's about a quicker sale. But I think now this for sure going to sell, because now nobody in your area has this. It's pretty much like a separate suite, because you could just come in through the garage, close this off if you wanted to, and then that's their house. This is your house. Put a kitchenette where the panel is and be done. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is dope, man. I think this is going to be good. I'm excited. Are you going to stage?
Yes, so I learned from y'all. I think it's important to stage, especially a house like this with like the size of the master and stuff like that. So I will be staging the living room when you walk in, the dining room, and the master bedroom.
Dope.
And then I'll be, using some of y'all's furniture.
Of course. Whatever. That's what it's for, though, man. We teach you so you don't make the mistakes. Staging and not staging makes a difference, because if you have a tighter room, people are going to see it as tight, and they're going to think, can I fit a king bed in here? But if I got one sitting in here already, then they can't think that. Or at least a queen, they don't know. At least they see a bed and they see space. Mm-hmm. So it's all about what you can see versus what you can think about, So we'll follow up, guys. Like I said, it's the 20th of January. It's Dani's birthday. We're 2 weeks into this job. Let's see if she's going to be ready by the end of the month and ready for the market beginning of February, y'all. She said she under budget. We're going to see when we check in if she will be under or over. But either way, I'm proud of her. She locked in on her birthday, y'all. Y'all tell her happy birthday in the comments.